Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to put on decals on a Velomobile like this one. Alright, before I'm going to plot out the stickers from this vinyl foil, I will need dimensions. I need to know how big my sticker is going to be. So what I'm going to do is put two pieces of A4 paper together. I'm going to stick them together. I'm going to guesstimate how big my name is going to be on the bike. So let's do that first. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this on here, something like this. Alright, this is our silhouette cameo. It's a plotter machine. In here there's a little knife, and the little knife can follow the drawing I made on my computer, and will cut out the text from this vinyl foil. And before I can cut it, I will need to test if it cuts deep enough. But I first need to load it. And that failed. Well, it failed because I did not set this wheel at the correct position. So now I should be able to load it. And it does. So now I'm going to test it. Like right here. Alright, I've got my utility knife, and I'm going to try to remove the sticker, but I can already see that this is not quite deep enough, I think, although it comes off pretty okay. Well, it's pretty okay. I'm thinking I'm going to try it, because I can make the knife cut a little bit deeper. Well, I'm still gonna try that. If it cuts too deep, it will cut into this machine. It will cut through this paper, and that's absolutely not what I want. Right, this comes off a lot easier, so I'm going to use this setting, I guess. Yep, perfect. Alright, now I'm going to transfer the letters onto this this foil, and then I will be able to peel off this backing paper, and then I will be able to stick the ladders onto my bike. So let's start. Cut off the tape, the foil like this. Alright, we'll put it back here, and now I'm gonna use this credit card like piece of plastic with a foam tip to really put some pressure on the ladders so that they will stick to the application foil. I will push out pretty much all air I can push out. Alright, man, almost ready to go. Okay, I think I'm good to go. So now I'm going to clean this a bit, this part a bit. And I'm going to look where it will fit best. I think I'm going to put it somewhere like here. And now I will use this tool again to remove the air. And I think something like this probably will do. Now it's just a matter of peeling off the application foil again, and the ladders should stick to the Velomobile. Works like a charm. Amazing. Look at that, that looks amazing. I do think I will go push them a little bit again, so they will stick a little bit better. But so far so good. Nice. 17 centimeters. And for the other side I will mark it a little bit with some tape. So something around this area should work. This is the point I need to take into account. This is how it's going to be like. most important thing that you do is that you need to push the air off the application foil without making creases in the things you like to apply. So now I'm going to start from this side. And there it is. Beautiful. It's pretty hard to apply decals to a rounded surface because, yeah, it's round. So I'm going to do it like this. Somewhere around this corner will do, I guess. Yeah, this is approximately the position I do want it to have. Nice and slow will do it. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to apply my country's flag, the Dutch flag. Just right behind my name. And because I've used 3 colors of foil, of vinyl, I will need to build the flag in pieces, like I'm going to show you right now. So alright, now I'm going to determine a position and general size of a sticker I want to put on here. I want to put on the number of this Quatrevelo, and that's 302. Create a circle, something like this. Oh. And I'm going to put the letters in it, the digits. 302, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to try to line it with a laser.